Activate. Download. Tyler Residence. February the 1st. Give me security arrangements for tonight. Passwords encryption services. And restore. Thank you, Mrs. Tyler. Activate picture link. Did the override work?
Well, needs a bit of fine-tuning. We weren't exactly delicate given the rush, but yeah, it's all working. I've been testing the system, sir. They've grafted on a treat, these have. Given a little persuasion. If you care to observe, sir. And turn to the right. Back to the left.
Are you having fun, Mr. Crane?
Oh, no, not at all, sir. No, it's just, well, it's, irresistible.
Then resist and start the upgrade.
Did we get permission?
I am governed by greater laws, old friend. The right of a man to survive. Now begin.
And turn to the left. Forward march.
It's happening again.
What do you mean?
I've seen them before.
What are they?
Cybermen.
Mr. Lumic.
Mr. President, I suppose a remark about crashing the party would be appropriate at this point.
I forbade this.
These are my children, sir. Would you deny my family?
What are they, robots?
Worse than that.
Who were these people?
Doesn't matter.
They're people.
They were. Till they had all their humanity taken away. That's a living brain jammed inside a cybernetic body. With a heart of steel. All emotions removed.
Why no emotions?
Because it hurts.
I demand to know, Lumic. These people, who were they?
They were homeless and wretched and useless until I saved them and elevated them and gave them life eternal. And now I leave you in their capable hands. Good night, sir. Good night, Mr. President.
We have been upgraded.
Into what?
The next level of mankind. We are Human Point 2. Every citizen will receive a free upgrade. You will become like us.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for what's been done to you. But listen to me. This experiment ends tonight.
Upgrading is compulsory.
And if I refuse?
Don't.
What if I refuse?
I'm telling you, don't.
What happens if I refuse?
Then you are not compatible.
What happens then?
You will be deleted.